Welcome everybody to Animaths. We shall be taking up few problem sums today in linear equations. As you know, in my past videos I've been doing linear equation sums. I have about 2 or 3 videos where we did finding the value of x from an equation. But today we shall be finding the value of x, but first we'll be forming an equation from a problem sum and then finding the value of x. So this is also called problem sums of linear equations. Okay then, so let's see, we are going to take very simple ones today. So see how it works out. Okay, then let's see the first problem sum. So the first one is, if 9 is added to a certain number, the result is 36. If 9 is added to a certain number, the result is 36. Now they have told find the number. So we'll have to find which number when added to 9 gives us a 36. Whenever we have the number, the unknown number, let the number be x. Okay. Now 9 is added to that, x plus 9. Okay. The result is, that is equal to 36. Then, now this is a very simple linear equation, right? It's a very simple linear equation, as we can see. So, we have done this kind of problems before. So it is a simple transposition question. So what we have to do is x is equal to 36 minus 9, and that gives us a 27. Okay, that gives us a 27. So x is equal to 27. That is, the unknown number is a 27. Our answer comes to a 27. So we can write the number is 27. The next sum is, the sum of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 114. The sum of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 114. Okay, find the number. Find the numbers. So the first, now what is the meaning of the word consecutive? Consecutive means one after the other. Okay, so here these are 3 consecutive natural numbers. That means they have to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. They can't include 0. We know what natural numbers are. And they have to come one after the other. That means the set of 3 can be 53, 54, 55. It can be 102, 103, 105, 104. It can be a 26, 27, 28. It can be any 3 natural numbers, but they have to be one after the other, right? One after the other without any gaps. So here, let the 3 numbers be. Now what are the 3 numbers? We have to consider the 3 numbers algebraically. So how do we consider the 3 numbers algebraically? Let the 3 numbers be x, that's the first one. Then the second one will be an x plus 1, because if I am saying 23, 24, 25, you see the difference between the 2 numbers is always a 1. 24 minus 23 is always a 1. So x, take it any number. It can even be 1000. Okay, the next number will be only with a difference of 1, so add 1 to it. and the next number again with a difference of 1. So add 2 to the first number. You can verify this with any three numbers, any three natural numbers which are consecutive. So consecutive means one after the other. So here x plus 1, x plus 2 are the three numbers. Then now they have told the sum of these three numbers. Now right now for us, though we don't know the numbers, our numbers are these three things. Okay, algebraically we have to consider the numbers. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 114. These are our three numbers and they add up to 114. Now we have 1, 2 and 3x. 3x, 1 plus 2, that's a 3. That is 114. Okay. If this is 114, then 3x is equal to 114 minus 3. And that comes to how much? 111. Okay. 111. If that comes to 111 is equal to 3x, then how much is the value of x? X is 111 by 3. That comes to 3 sevens are 3 threes are 9 and then 3 sevens are. So the first number has come to 37 for us. Okay. Now we'll write the other numbers. The other numbers are x is equal to 37. Okay. The next number x plus 1 is a 38 and x plus 2 is a 39. So our three numbers are 37, 38 and 39. Now how do we know in the examination itself that we are correct or not? So we'll add these three and check. Okay. So that is coming to a 24, 2 and this is 9 and 2, 11. So on adding these three numbers, this is not for you to submit, this is for you to check in rough. So you should check it in rough quietly and see whether your answer is correct. If you are not getting 114 over here, go back to the sum and check it once again. Okay, so I have checked here and it is coming to 114. So I know that my sum is correct. Okay. The next sum is, if a number is tripled, if a number is tripled, okay, if a number is tripled and the result is increased by 5 and the result is increased by 5, we get 50. We get 50. Find the number. Okay. So if a number is tripled and the result is increased by 5, we get 50. You have to find the number. So let the number be, let the number be x. Okay. Then the number has been tripled. Now here many people do many mistakes. If you are tripling a number, means if I have 5, I have to make it 15. So you're tripling it means you multiply 3 with it and not add 3 to it. Okay, so tripling a number makes it this. And the result means after multiplying whatever you get, that is the result, is increased by means a plus, by 5. We get 50. This is our equation from the statement. Okay, so 3x plus 5 is equal to 50. Then 3x is equal to 50 minus 5, which is, I have done transposition here. You can see this is 45 and 3x. Okay, now x is equal to 45 by 3, which is a 15. Now you can check for yourself. Our answer is, the number is how much? 15. Now you can 15 into 3, 45. 45 plus 5 is a 50. So we are correct. So you must always, because in linear equations, these the equations that you get are pretty simple to solve. Okay, only thing is getting to the equation is tough. So it is always easy to substitute the value of x in here in the beginning and check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. So our next question is, the sum of two consecutive even numbers is 74. The sum of two consecutive even numbers is 74. Okay, two consecutive even numbers is 74, and find the numbers. So now again the word consecutive has come up, but now there is a difference. There is some problem. They are telling even numbers, sum of two consecutive even numbers. Now you will notice whenever we have any two even numbers consecutive, that is we have a 16 and an 18, two consecutive even numbers, 14, 16, 18, the difference is always a 2, isn't it? Okay, the difference is always a 2 between any two even numbers. You take 102 and 104, even there the difference is 2. So this time we are not going to take like the natural numbers, but we are going to take like the even numbers. So it is let the numbers be, the first number will be an x, and the next number will be x plus 2. Remember this. Now the same thing applies for odd numbers also. You might not have noticed, but you can quickly check. If I say 53 and 55, two consecutive odd numbers, again the difference is 2, right? The difference is again 2 for two consecutive odd numbers, isn't it? So x and x plus 2 are my two consecutive even numbers. So it is x plus 2, which is equal to how much? X and x plus 2 is equal to 74, isn't it? Because they said sum of two consecutive even numbers. 2x plus 2 is a 74, 2x is a 72, x is a 36. X is a 36. So we got our first number, and so our first number is 36 and the second number is a 38. Add them and check. Are we getting a 74 or not? Yes, we are getting a 74 on adding them. Okay. So these are the two numbers. On adding, we get find the numbers. The sum of two consecutive even numbers is coming to a 74. Now you can do the same thing, but when it comes as odd numbers, remember to take the same combination and you'll get your sum. This is a very common type of question, always asked in exams. Okay, so see to it that you know this, and in whether it is 6th or 7th or 8th, they will always have this question in the question paper. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll end the video here today, and we'll come up with a little tougher questions, another tough 4 or 5 questions in my next video. As of now, you can practice only these questions from your textbook. Okay, and we'll come up with the next video very soon. As I said, please follow the videos according to the numbers, that is sequentially, because then you can also go along with the increasing difficulty level, which is going to be easy for you. Okay then, bye all of you. If you have liked my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks all of you.